Welcome, this is CAIE, May June 2022, Paper 12, Pure Mathematics 1, 9709. First question, the coefficient of x power 4 in this. So it becomes 5c4, 3 to the power of 5 minus 4, x to the power of 4. So it is 5 times 3, 15 is the coefficient in that one. Now, coefficient of x square in this. So, first of all, I'll write the general term 6cr, 2x whole to the power of 6 minus r, a upon x whole to the power of r. So, I take only x terms, 1 upon x power r equals to x power 2. X power 6 minus r equals to x power 2. 6 minus 2r equals to 2. 2r equals to 4. R equals to 2. So, what will be the coefficient over here? 6c2, 2 to the power of 6 minus 2, a to the power of 2, which is 15 times 2 power 4 a square, which is 15 times 16 times a square. We can see that 15 cancels. 1 equals to 16 a square. So a square equals to 1 upon 16, a equals to 1 upon 4. The second term, which is T2, is AR equals to 10. Third term, which is AR square, equals to 8. If I divide both, 8 upon 10, I will be getting the value of R as 0.8. Plug in that R value over here, equals to 10. We will be getting the A value as 12.5. What is being asked? S infinity is being asked, which is A upon 1 minus R, which is 12.5 divided by 1 minus 0.8, which is going to be 62.5. Question number 3. dy by dx is given and equation of the curve. So I have to do the integration. 3 times 4x minus 7 whole to the power of half minus 4x negative half dx. So it becomes 3 4x minus 7 whole power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 times 4 minus 4x to the power of half upon half plus c. So it becomes 1 upon 2, 4x minus 7 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8x to the power of half plus c. But it is passing through 4 comma 5 by 2 equals to 4 times 4 minus 7 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8 times 4 power 1 by 2 plus c. This gives me c value as 5. So what is the equation? Just plug in the equation, c value in that equation. That's going to be the equation of the curve. The first term, which is k, second term is 6k, third term is k plus 6. In a arithmetic progression, second term minus first term is third term minus second term. 6k minus k equals to k plus 6 minus 6k. So 5k equals to 6 minus 5k, 10k equals to 6, so k equals to 0.6. If k is 0.6, the first term is 0.6, second term is 6 times 0.6, which is 3.6. So common difference will be T2 minus T1, 3.6 minus 0.6, which is 3. Sum to 30 terms formula, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So this is 30 upon 2, 2a is 0.6, 30 minus 1 times d. Simplify that, you should be getting 1323. Question number 5. The equation of the curve is given and equation of a line. So both are intersecting. X minus a equals to 4x squared minus kx plus half k square. It passes through coordinates at x equals to 0. Plug in x equals to 0. So you get 0 minus a equals to 4 times 0 square k times 0 plus half k square. So half k square equals to negative a. Plug in x equals to 3 upon 4. So you get 3 upon 4 minus a equals to 4 times 3 upon 4 whole square minus k times 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 k square. So 3 upon 4 minus a equals to 4 times 9 upon 16 minus k times 3 upon 4, and this half k square is negative a. Now negative a gets cancels. 4 times 1, 4 times 4. 3 upon 4 equals to 9 upon 4 minus 3k upon 4. 4 gets cancels. 3 equals to 9 minus 3k. 3k equals to 6. K equals to 2. Plug in k equals to 2 over here. Negative a equals to 1 upon 2 times 2 square. Negative a equals to 2. A equals to negative 2. Given that instead a equals to negative 7 upon 2, find the value of k so that it is a tangent. So if at all k, then in that case 4x squared minus kx plus half k square equals to x minus of minus plus 7 upon 2. So I get it out a quadratic 4kx squared minus kx minus x plus half k square minus 7 upon 2 equals to 0. So where here I get a equals to 4, b equals to k plus 1, and c equals to half k square minus 7 upon 2. It is a tangent. Tangent means b square minus 4ac should be equals to 0. K plus 1 whole square minus 4ac half k square by 2 minus 7 by 2 should be equals to 0. So k square plus 2k plus 1 minus 16 times k square minus 14 by 4 equals to 0. 4 times 1, 4 times 4. So let's do this one carefully again. B squared minus 4ac equals to 0. B value is k plus 1 whole square minus 4 times a where half k square minus 7 upon 2 equals to 0. So k square plus 2k plus 1 minus 16 times k square minus 7 by 2 equals to 0. 2 times 1, 2 times 8. So k square plus 2k plus 1 minus 8k square plus 56 equals to 0. So you get a quadratic 7k square minus 2k minus 57 equals to 0. Factorize it. K minus 3 times 7k plus 19 equals to 0. K equals to 3 or k equals to minus 19 upon 7. Find the values of k. You'll get two answers. Question number 6. The diagram shows the curve. Find the exact area in the shaded region between the line and the curve. So first of all, what you should do, find the point of intersections. So 2x plus 2 equals to 5x to the power of half. Let x to the power of half equals to a. So x equals to a square. So you get 2a square plus 2 equals to 5a. 2a square minus 5a plus 2 equals to 0. Then factorize 2a and a, and this is 1 and 2. I want minus 5a, so equals to 0. So a equals to 1 upon 2 or a equals to 2. So x power 1 upon 2 equals to 1 upon 2. X power 1 upon 2 equals to 2. X equals to 1 upon 4 or x equals to 4. So now what am I going to do? Find the area. Whenever he's asking the area, integral upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve is going to be the curve itself only, and the lower curve is the straight line, and dx from the limits. So it becomes 5x to the power of 3 upon 2 by 3 upon 2 minus 2x squared by 2 minus 2x from 1 upon 4 to 4, which is 10 upon 3 x power 3 by 2 minus x square minus 2x from 1 upon 4 to 4. Plug in the upper limit 10 upon 3, 4 power 3 by 2 minus 4 square minus 2 times 4 minus 10 upon 3, 1 upon 4 whole power 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 4 whole square minus 2 times 1 upon 4. Simplify that, you should be getting 45 by 16, which is 213 by 16. Question number 7. The diagram shows the sector OABC, OBAC of a circle with a center O and radius 10. The point P lies on the OC and BP is perpendicular. Angle AOC equals to 5 by 6. Length of arc AB is 2. Find angle BOC. He is asking us to find angle BOC. So, I am going to consider this. Length of the arc is r theta is 2. So what is the radius? The radius is going to be 12 or 10. Theta equals to 2. So theta equals to 0.2. So angle BOC will be equals to pi by 6 plus 0.2. Hence, find the area of the shaded region BPC, giving your answer in 3 significant figures. BPC area. So what am I going to do? Area of BPC will be for that area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Area of shaded region will be equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of the sector formula is half r square theta. Area of a triangle is half AB sine C. Half r square 10 square theta. Theta is nothing but what? Pi by 6 plus 0.2 minus area of a triangle half AB sine C. One side is 10, we have to find it out this part. So I'll be using it out cosine. Cosine pi by 6 plus 0.2 equals to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. 10 equals to, then I get OP equals to 10 times cosine pi by 6 plus 0.2. So half 10 times cosine pi by 6 plus 0.2 times sine of the angle. For the triangle is again nothing but what? Sine of the angle between them. Half A, again B is another 10. This is one side A and this is side B. And move this on this entire side so that I have a space to write. Then sine of the angle between them. Angle between them is pi by 6 plus 0.2. So simplify that. You should be able to get, I am writing it out over here. This is get 36.1799 minus 24.809. So your final answer should be 11.4. Question number 8. The equation of a circle is this one, and point this lies on the circle. Find the values of A and B, hence find the coordinates of the center of a circle. So substitute 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus A plus B minus 12 equals to 0. So you get A plus B equals to 10. This is for 1, 1. Then plug in 2, negative 6. You'll be getting 4 plus 36 plus 2A minus 6B minus 12 equals to 0. You get 2A minus 6B equals to negative 28. Then you get two equations, simultaneous equations. The second equation multiply with 6. 6A plus 6B equals to 60. The second equation take as it is. Then add both. 6b gets cancels. 8a equals to 32. A equals to 4. Plug in a equals to 4 in the first equation. You'll be getting 4 plus b equals to 10. B equals to 6. Hence find the center of the circle. So I get the equation as x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. The center is going to be minus 4 by 2. This number divided by 2, opposite symbol, minus 6 by 2. So which is going to be negative 2 comma negative 3. Find the equation of the tangent of the circle at a point A given your answer in the form. So first of all, what am I going to do? I am going to find gradient of AC, which is 1 minus minus 3 by 1 minus minus 2, which is 1 plus 3 upon 1 plus 2, which is 4 upon 3. So gradient of the tangent will be minus 3 upon 4. So equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to negative 3 upon 4, negative plus 7 upon 4. That's going to be the equation. Or else you write it out in the standard form, 3x plus 4y equals to 7. The equation of the curve is given. Find dy by dx and d square y by dx square. So dy by dx will become 3x derivative 3, 1 derivative 0, minus 4, half comes front, then half minus 1 times 3. So it's going to be 3 minus 6, 3x plus 1 whole to the power of negative half. Now d square y by dx square will be 6 times negative half times 3x plus 1 whole power negative 3 by 2 times 3, which is 9 times 3x plus 1 whole power negative 3 by 2. Find the coordinates of the stationary point and determine its nature. So for stationary point, dy by dx should be equals to 0. So 3 minus 6, 3x plus 1 whole to the power of negative half should be equals to 0. So 3 equals to 6 times 3x plus 1 whole to the power of half. 3x plus 1 whole to the power of half equals to 1 upon 2, negative half. So 3x plus 1 whole to the power of positive half will be equals to 2. I did reciprocal on both sides. So 3x plus 1 equals to 4, 3x equals to 3, x equals to 1. Now plug in x equals to 1 in the curve equation. So we will be getting it out. Y equals to 3x plus 1 minus 4 times 3x plus 1 whole to the power of half. 3x plus 1 whole to the power of half. Plug in x equals to 1. It is 3 plus 1 minus 4 times 3 times 1 plus 1 whole to the power of half. 4 minus 8, which is negative 4. So the point is 1 comma negative 4. Find the second derivative value at x equals to 1. 9 times 3 times 1 plus 1 whole to the power of 3 by 2, which is 9 by 8, which is greater than 0. If the second derivative is negative, it is minimum. Question number 10. The functions f and g are defined. F of x is given, g of x is given. State the domain of f inverse. Domain of f inverse. So means domain of f inverse is nothing but what? Range of f. Range of f is going to be domain of f inverse. So how should I write f? 2x plus 1 minus 2 divided by 2x minus 1. 2x plus 1 can be written as like this. Let me do it out again. What do I have? 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. So I'll subtract 1 and add 1. divided by 2x minus 1. So I am subtracting 1 and adding 1. So now 2x minus 1 by 2x minus 1 will become 1. 1 plus 2 by 2x minus 1. This is going to be the answer. So now this all answers will be either, this answers will be either greater than 1, and if this is negative it can be less than 1, but it can be never be 0. So that is going to be the range of f of x. Always answers you get either, if at all it is positive, greater than 1, if at all it is negative, lesser than 1. So range of f of x is greater than 1 or less than 1. So therefore that's going to be the domain of f of x. So x is not equals to 1, comma, x is greater than 1 or x is less than 1. Find expression for f inverse of x. Y equals to 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1. Cross multiply. 2xy minus y equals to 2x plus 1. Then 2xy minus 2x equals to 1 plus y. Take x common. 2x common. Y minus 1 equals to y plus 1. X equals to y plus 1 by 2 times of y minus 1. Therefore f inverse of x equals to, what does it becomes? 1 upon 2 x plus 1 by x minus 1. Find g f inverse of 3. So g of f inverse of 3. So 1 upon 2 times 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So 1 upon 2 times, so it becomes g of 1. G of 1. Plug in 1 in g, it becomes 1 square plus 4, which is 5. Explain why g inverse of x cannot be found. Because it is x square plus 4. It is not a one-to-one function. It is not. Remember, square is not one-to-one function. Only one-to-one functions will be having inverse. Square is not an one-to-one function because f of 2 is also 8. F of negative 2 is also 8. Therefore, it is not a one-one function. Show that 1 by 2 by 2x minus 1 can be expressed. Oh, already we have done that one. Once again, we'll do 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. What am I going to do? I am going to subtract 1 and add 1 divided by 2x minus 1. To make it clear, I will be showing you that I subtracted 1 and added 1. The blue colors are subtracted 1 and added 1. So this both can be written as 1 and plus 2 by 2x minus 1. Hence, find the area of the triangle enclosed by the tangent to the point x equals to 1 and x-axis and y-axis. So, I am going to find f prime x. Derivative is 0 plus 2 times, this is 2x minus 1 whole to the power of negative 1. So it becomes negative 1, 2x minus 1 whole to the power of negative 2 times 2. Now I am going to find it out the gradient at x equals to 1. So slope of the tangent will be equals to negative 2 times 1 minus 1 whole power negative 2 times 2. So which is going to be nothing but how much? Negative 4. So I got the gradient of the tangent as 4. Then I need to get the y value. 1 plus 2 by x is 1, 2 minus 1, which is 3. So the point is negative 4 comma 3 and the gradient is 3. The point is 1 comma 3 and the gradient is negative 4. So equation of the tangent is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So what does it becomes? Y equals to minus 4x plus 7. Now, once I get the equation of the tangent, what is it telling? This is a 9 and minus 4x plus 7. It should be like this. So where does it intersect x-axis and y-axis? X-axis means y equals to 0. So y equals to negative 4x plus 7. So 0 equals to negative 4x plus 7, x equals to 7 by 4. So this point is 7 upon 4. Now y-axis means x equals to 0. So y equals to negative 4 times 0 plus 7. So that is 7. So this point is 7. So area of a triangle is half times base times height. So half times base is 7 upon 4 times height is 7, which is 49 upon 8. Last question. The function f is given by this one. Given that k equal to 3, find the exact solutions for f of x equals to 0. So it becomes 4 cos to the power of 4x plus cos square x minus 3 equals to 0. So I'm directly factorizing it out. 4 cos square x minus 3 cos square x plus 1 equals to 0. So either 4 cos square x minus 3 equals to 0, cos square x plus 1 equals to 0, cos square x equals to 3 upon 4, cos square x equals to negative 1. This is not possible because square term cannot be negative. So cos x equals to plus minus square root of 3 upon 4. So cos x equals to plus minus 3 upon 2. So cos general solution is 2 and pi plus, this is pi by 6, or 2 and pi minus pi by 6. Substitute n equals to 0, you get pi upon 6, negative pi upon 6. N equals to 1, you will be getting it out 13 pi by 6 or 11 pi by 6. Then apart from that, this is for plus root 3 by 2. Plus root 3 by 2. Now I should be taking for minus root 3 by 2. It will be 2 and pi. Cos inverse minus root 3 by 2 is nothing but what? 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. So plus 5 pi by 6. This is a formula for cos minus 5 pi by 6. So again n equals to 0 gives you 5 pi by 6 minus 5 pi by 6. N equals to 1 will be giving you 12, 17 pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. So what are the answers is going to be? This one, this one, this one, this one not there, this one not there, this one not there, this one not there, this one, because it is between 0 to 2 pi. So my final answers are going to be pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Use the quadratic formula to show that when k is greater than 5, f of x has no solutions. So the equation was 4 cos to the power of 4 cos square minus 3. 4 cos to the power of 4x plus cos square x minus k equals to 0. So cos square x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. C is minus k by 2a. So minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 16k upon 8. So now if k is greater than 5, if k equals to 5, so what does it becomes? Minus 1 plus minus square root of 81 by 8. So it will become 1. Minus 1 plus minus 9 by 8. So I take only plus symbol, plus 9 by 8, which is equals to 1. Cos square x equals to 1. So cos square x is going to be nothing but what? 1. So cos square x is equal to 1 means it has no solutions at all. So for that I don't take minus 1 because minus 1 minus 9 upon 8, which is minus 10 upon 8. So cos square x cannot be negative. Cos square x, cos square x. So we say cos square x is not negative because square term cannot be negative. So only I'm left over with nothing but what? Cos square x equals to 1. So I write cos square x equals to 1. If I write cos square x equals to 1, there are no solutions for that also. No solutions for that also. So for cos square x equals to 1 also, no solutions. So therefore, what is it happening? For positive also no solutions, for negative also no solutions. So that is the way we can prove that for k is greater than 5, it has no solutions at all. So that completes this paper, and see you in the next paper. Bye.